This isn't going to take real long. Unless, of course, the snow falls on it and puts it out. And I'll have to start over. You ever watched that movie, Jeremiah Johnson? Right when he first got into the woods, before he really learned how to do everything, he started a fire under some pines. Of course, the wind blew and a bunch of the snow fell out, smothered it. So, hell, you can learn a lot from Hollywood. We know which way the wind's coming from for sure now. Just like Jeremiah Johnson. Couldn't have staged that any better if I tried. That's good filmmaking. I don't care who you are. It's almost like somebody was standing over in the side and shook the tree.